When looking at becoming a Java developer, there are certain skills you'll need to be proficient in. We analyzed thousands of job openings in order to identify the 15 most required hard skills for Java developers. Number 15. XML. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a markup language similar to HTML, but without predefined tags to use. XML is a markup language and file format for storing, transmitting, and reconstructing arbitrary data. Number 14. Microservices. Microservices, also known as the microservice architecture, is an architectural style that structures an application as a collection of service. In a microservices architecture, services are fine-grained and the protocols are lightweight. The goal is that teams can bring their services to life independent of others. Number 13. Angular. Angular is a platform for building mobile and desktop web applications using HTML and TypeScript. Angular is written in TypeScript. It implements core and optional functionality as a set of TypeScript libraries that you import into your applications. Number 12. Docker. Docker is an open-source containerization platform. It enables developers to package applications into containers, standardized executable components combining application source code with the operating system libraries and dependencies required to run that code in any environment. Number 11. Oracle. Oracle Database is a multi-model database management system produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. It is a database commonly used for running online transaction processing, data warehousing and mixed database workloads. Number 10. Maven. Apache Maven is a software project management and comprehension tool. Based on the concept of a project object model, POM, Maven can manage a project's build, reporting and documentation from a central piece of information. Number 9. AWS. Amazon Web Services offers reliable, scalable, and inexpensive cloud computing services such as servers, storage, networking, remote computing, email, mobile development, and security. Number 8. Hibernate. Hibernate ORM is an object relational mapping tool for the Java programming language. It provides a framework for mapping an object-oriented domain model to a relational database. Number 7. Git. Git is a free and open-source distributed version control system for tracking changes in any set of files, usually used for coordinating work among programmers collaboratively developing source code during software development. Number 6. Jenkins. Jenkins is an open-source automation server which enables developers around the world to reliably build, test, and deploy their software. Number 5. Spring Boot. Spring Boot is an open-source, microservice-based Java web framework. The Spring Boot framework creates a fully production-ready environment that is completely configurable using its pre-built code within its codebase. Number 4. JavaScript. JavaScript, often abbreviated JS, is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is used by programmers across the world to create dynamic and interactive web content like applications and browsers. Number 3. SQL. SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating and retrieving data in databases. Number 2. Spring. The Spring Framework is an open-source application framework that provides infrastructure support for developing Java applications. Spring helps developers create high-performing applications using plain old Java objects. Number 1. Java. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the